Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. We got our tonight's video, or tomorrow's video, whatever time you look at it. Please like and subscribe because I don't get paid for these videos. I don't have a backer. I don't have anything. Please like and subscribe. I got like 90% of people watching these that are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit that subscribe button. And like I said, on with the video. Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 and Electronics Repair here. Here's the laptop in question. As you can tell, the screen is broken. I'm going to shut it off. So the keyboard shuts off. I'll unplug it. I'm going to start tearing into this thing. Let me see if I can prop you guys up somewhere or something. Get the tools out. Comes with a toolkit. See the toolkit there. I got the screens in these bags. Here's a bezel in case I need it. The bezel's in that box. I got my other toolkit in case I need a metal spudger. Let's see if I can get you guys propped up enough so you guys can see what I'm doing. Excuse me, screwing around here. Stupid box. I can move it up a little bit. That's even worse. And according to what I saw in the service manual, yes, I have a service manual for this. We have to take the bezel off. So let me see if I can get this without any plastic tools, which I'm probably going to need anyway, so I might as well just get them out. This is going to be kind of hard to film, but we'll see what I can do here. Hopefully I got the right screen. They told me it was the right screen. We'll find out, I guess. Yes, I use plastic tools for this. So once you can get underneath these, you should be able to pop the bezel. But like I said, this is my first one. So you're going to have to bear with me. This is why I use plastic tools and bought a bezel just in case this thing did not want to come apart. This has a webcam in it. I'm trying to be careful. So I did buy a new one just in case. So apparently this has got sticky tape on it. Looks like this thing's very thin too. So I could snap it. That'd be the end of it. MSI was not very nice with this. The screen is broke, but that's not the point. I'm trying to be nice with this because I don't have to use the other bezel. I prefer not to. double-sided tape. And you just pull it. Very careful while you're pulling it. Apparently during the factory they didn't want this coming off. And there's tape on this. Oh yeah. Let's see if I can save it. I'll try to save it. Oh, maybe it's just on a... It's stuck to the... It's stuck to the screen itself, it looks like. Trying to keep it in the shot. Sorry. What a pain in the butt. Trying to be very careful. I don't want to rip any wires. And voila, it's off. There's still some of the tape left on it. Set it to the side. Face up. Now apparently I need to take a spudger on the sides of this thing because it's double-sided tape. Which it looks like it is. I'll do the other side. I'm just trying to be careful. Take your time. This is not a rush. I'm surprised this thing's coming apart very easily. And the kit I got came with the tape. Trying to keep it in the shot. Okay, there is a IBS cable on this. You want to take the tape. I'm sorry if you can't see it in the shot. You need to take this off. You need to get the tape off and don't wreck your cable. Let me see if I can figure out where they stuck the tape here. They do this so the thing doesn't come off. See, because they just come out. Come on. They just come out like that. And your old screen is out. This is an OEM one. I didn't buy an OEM one. This one, if you guys want to know, here's the number on it. Let's see if I can get you a shot of it. If you're just looking for a part number, oh, it's not going to fall. There it goes. Maybe. I'll get you a better shot of it later, but this is basically a B156H AN02.1. That is the screen you're looking for. Looks like the sticky tape isn't sticky anymore. I have new ones. Came in the kit. I might have to move you if I need them. Be very careful. Don't drop these. I'm surprised I got this thing that quickly apart. I think I need to get the sticky strips out of the other out of the box. I'm going to have to move you. We're going to have to hold you for a second. Because I think they're in the other bag. Like I said, mind the mess. I thought I had them out. I think they're in the other bag. I bought 4 screens, so I don't know if they're in this bag. No, I don't think they're in this one. I bought 4 screens because this is a child's laptop. Let's see if they're in the other box. I'll prop you back up. Sorry for the monkeying around trying to get this laptop finished. I just didn't realize it was going to be this easy and this quick. Pardon me, sorry, to get this screen in. I'm just going to see if the installation tape, oh, yep, it's in this bag. I didn't realize it was in this bag. These are the strips you're going to need to put the screen back in. I wonder if I should pull these off the back here. And yes, you want to be careful when you're pushing on the screen. I wonder if I can just put new... No, these are kind of sticky, but not very sticky. I'll put them on top of it, I guess. There are 2 strips per screen. These are sticky. So I'll put it right here. I always put new adhesive strips in because that's what holds the screen, guys. Hence the reason why I bought 4 screens. You don't want to drop it, just take your time. As long as your pin connector is right. I'm going to set this down. I'm going to hook it up and see. It should slide right in. Shouldn't have an issue. If everything is right. I don't have a 40 pin. No 40 pin here, folks. It's 30 pin. Being careful, trying to keep it in there. I'll go ahead and pull the sticky stuff so the screen sits in there right. Go ahead and set it back in the laptop, being very careful so you get it in there right. So now it's in the laptop. I'm pressing very lightly. Now give it a test. I have to plug this in because the battery's dead. Do we have a display? We do not. So I did something wrong. Or the screen is dead. Well, let's check the LVS cable and make sure I did it right. The screen should have lit up already. Go ahead and shut it off. Hopefully the screen didn't adhere to it. Shit, she's in sleep mode. Now it's off. Screen didn't adhere to it, folks, thank goodness. Shit. This side did. This side kinda did. Being still very careful. Let's check our LVS cable. Make sure it's in all the way. No, it's not. Like I said, you guys gotta check your connections. You can short stuff doing this if you're not careful. Now it's in there. Now it's really in there. Alright, let's try it again in a minute. Get it back mounted in there. Like I said, this is very nerve-wracking because you gotta be very careful. It's gotta be up in the right spot. Just down very gently. And again, we'll give it a test. There we go. It's all fixed. I'll put the bezel back on off camera. We'll let it boot and we'll go from there. Well, at least I got some good screens, guys. This is a MSI 63 MF thin. The screen got broke, and apparently I had an update when it had to update when it got broke. But yeah, that's how you replace a screen on an MSI laptop. That's that simple. I didn't realize this was only gonna be like a not even 20-minute video. Like I said, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. I mean, this was simple as simple. So, like I said, I had a connection problem. I didn't think the screen was bad. You just gotta make sure your LVS cable is plugged in properly and it's connected. So, catch you on the next one.